morning, welcome to Mytre's kitchen. So today recipe is a lunch box recipe, which is our onion rice. So everybody knows onion is very good for health. It's got a lot of nutrients in it. So let us see how do we do our onion rice, which is quick and easy to office and school going children. To do our onion rice, the first step is I have taken a pan. I have taken 2 teaspoons of gingerly oil. You can also use refined oil. It will taste very good with gingerly oil. So I've added 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. People who do not prefer to add cumin seed can substitute with fennel seeds. So followed with the cumin seeds, we are going to add our chopped garlic and chopped ginger. I'm going to add chopped 1 tablespoon of ginger along with chopped 1 tablespoon of garlic and few curry leaves. All the said ingredients, I'm going to add 1 chopped green chilli. Now we are going to add our sliced onions. I have taken 3 onions. Cook the onion finely until it is slight golden brown. Friends, now I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric powder, followed with, to make our onion rice more tasty and more spicy, I'm going to add a tablespoon of chili powder as well. If you want, you can skip it. Followed with that, we are going to add the required amount of salt, which I have not added. So mix it all well. You can see our onions are nicely fried. You can find it's slightly changed to a golden color. So mix it well for a minute. So friends, you can find our onions are nicely tossed. I'm going to add a pinch of asafoetida. This is very good for our digestion. So followed with it, I'm going to add the cooked rice. Mix it well. You can find our onion rice has come out very well, spicy, and it looks so good. So it is ready to be displayed with some coriander leaves. Here goes our spicy, yummy, simple, easy onion rice, which is our lunchbox recipe. So please do try this recipe. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye-bye.